Hello YouTube. I'm going to do Strange Overtones by Whitney. It's a cover song they did. It was originally written and performed by David Byrne and Brian Eno. Then I know David Byrne performed it with St. Vincent quite a bit when they toured and collaborated. But I'm going to do the Whitney version. I'm going to play it differently from how I've seen people play it on YouTube. A lot of times on YouTube I see people playing it with a capo, and then they play F, C, C major 7, G. But I think this sounds better, and you can play along with the Whitney recording with this. Chords we're going to use are G, D, D major 7, which we're just barring the first 3 strings on the 2nd fret. Then we play the D open. It's probably one of the easier D major 7 shapes, or one of the easier major 7 shapes. Could use that if you want to play the G with a major 7. You could use that same shape at the 5th fret and the 7th fret, and then the last chord is A. So it's pretty beginner friendly. I'll do a little bit of verse and the chorus. Your song still needs a chorus. I'm sure you'll figure it out. The rising of the verses, a change of key will let you out. Strange overtones in the music you're playing, harmonized, strong, and you are tough, but a heart is not enough. Okay, that's how I play it, and I think it sounds pretty good that way. And then you can play along with the Whitney version. The Whitney, I think they're doing like they do a little riff on the G string in between the strum. But if you're just gonna play and sing, I just kind of do. And then sometimes you can throw in the D to break up the G part of the song. Just to break things up. You don't have to play the D, that's optional. So in the verse, we stay on G quite a while. Figure it out. Then we go to D, but it only stays on D briefly before it goes to D major 7. I'm sure a change of key will let you out. Then it finishes on the A. It goes to the A just at the very end of the verse. Don't go to the A too soon. The big chord change you hear is from D to D major 7. Change of key will let you out. And it stays on that A very briefly. Just maybe like 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the transition to the back to the beginning is D, A, G. real quickly. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, put on your socks and mittens. It's getting cold tonight. A snowball in the kitchen. I see it melt before my eyes. Alright, that's basically the whole song. It's pretty beginner friendly. I'm not gonna call this a beginner song because the rhythm is kind of funky, and some people might find it hard to bar this D major 7. That's a good D major that's a good major 7 shape to know. Like if you play it at the 10th fret, or not the 10th, the 12th fret, you can see you've got to play the D with your index finger, and then you bar the 3 strings with your ring finger. But that's a movable shape now. I was playing it at the wrong fret, but you get the idea. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.